Hello everyone, my name is K. Reddy, working as assistant professor in the Tiger Cresta Art Engineering College. In this video, I will explain how to create Google Form. Recent days, Google Form very important for collecting data, for student data collection, any other data. Okay, and now I open my mail ID. I will click here, Google Drive. In my mail ID, I open Google Drive. In Google Drive, here option is there, new. Click here, new. In new form, here option is there, Google Forms. Click here, Google Forms. Here, click here, blank form. Okay. This is untitled form. Open like this. Now I will type here student data. This is student data collection. This is title. Now I will click first here student roll number. Student roll number. If right here many options is there like short form and paragraph, multiple choice. I will choose here short form because roll number is very short answer. If required, this is click here required. If required, here showing star mark. Now here click here full name, click here full name, student full name. This is also short answer. I will click here. Okay, this is also mandatory. Next, I will type here student phone number, student phone number. This is also mandatory. I will required. I will type click here. Next, I required student mail ID, student. Just I will click email ID. This is also required star. Next, address. I will type here address. This is not mandatory. Not mandatory. I will not require this one. I will show here. This is required student roll number, full name, and student phone number, email address, and email ID and address. Okay. Now I will fill this data. If want send mail ID, this one send here. I will enter my mail ID. Will type. I will copy paste. This is my mail ID. Here include your name, include email ID. Send this one. Okay. I got this Google form, my mail ID. Next, fill out in this form. Now, I will fill this form. I will enter your number like 0780180006 026. Like, I will type my name. I will enter my mobile number. Like that, I will type my mail ID. At the rate of tkrec.t. Here type I will type address like this. Now I will submit this one. Okay. Want submit another response. Submit here. Now I will check this response sheet. We'll go to Google Drive. Okay, here I will click this one. Recently, here I will go to response. I will click here response. Okay, here showing one response. Okay, if you want to download this one Excel sheet, click here in download response. Okay, now I will open this one. Now I will open. I will right click this one. Extract. I will extract this file. Okay, now I will open this file. I will open this Excel sheet. So here showing total recent life field data collection. This is my mail ID. This is student roll number 0790180 206. This is my full name. This is my phone number. This is my email address. This is my address like this. Okay. I downloaded here in this Excel sheet. Okay. Follow this simple step. Create Google form and correct data. If your faculty correct your students' data, like any information, email address, and student percentages, pass percentage, or first year pass percentage, second year pass percentage, or any all ticket numbers, Aadhaar card, any student data, collect like this. Create Google form, collect easy data. This Google form very useful for collecting data for placement point of view for students. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video.